Hi, so we had some questions about how to do the last parts of the questions from the normal distribution homework. I'm going to record doing one of them. Okay. Share screen, my open math. So, Los Angeles workers have an average commute of 34 minutes. Suppose it's normally distributed with a standard deviation of 14 minutes. So we know what the distribution is. Mean 34, standard deviation 14. Now for part C, it says find the 85th percentile for commute times of Los Angeles workers. Now, when you're given a percent or probability, you need to reverse the process that you used in part B. So, first we need a z-table. And it says 85%, well, 85% is 0.85. So we're going to look and find a number that's close to 0.85. We're not looking for a z, we're looking for a probability. And there it is, 0.8508. It's very close to 0.85, isn't it? So what z-score is that? 1.04. So let's look at the whiteboard. %85 is 0.85. I found actually it was 0.8508. So we got our z. Next, we use the z to get x. This is the reverse of what we were doing before. Z times the standard deviation plus the mean. So what was our standard deviation there? 14 with a mean of 34. So that's going to give us 48.56. And that should be our answer. Okay. So now the My Open Math is using computers rather than tables, which means that sometimes they're going to be, your answers are going to be just a little bit different. Don't worry about that too much. I turned down all the answer sensitivities, but if it marks you off anyway, let me know and I'll fix it. Okay. There's just one other thing that you need to be careful of. Here, your z-score was positive. If your z-score is negative, make sure you're subtracting rather than adding at this stage. The sign of the z-score, positive or negative, is really important and you got to pay attention to that. Okay, there was my example. So I guess I'll sign off. What the heck are my meeting controls? There they are.